Wait, is it heading for Indiana?
The
It
National
looks like
Weather
it did,
Service in
or something.
Chicago issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in
And it
northwestern
is heading for
Indiana until
Indiana.
5:16 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from South Street to Dyer near Lowell, moving east.
So now it looks, the storm is still passing through southeastern Cook County.
Source: radar
It's
indicated
heading
severe
for
thunderstorm.
Porter and Lake County, it's part of the Chicago suburb of Indiana.
Locations impacted include Dyer, Lake Station, Chester, Cedar Lake, Winfield, South
Hammond
Sarasota,
and Gary is also the affected locations.
Beverly Shores, Maryville, Provine, East Chicago, Porter, and Acres. Reno, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Munster, Highland, Perry, Monroe, New Chicago, Village, South Haven, St. John, and Griffith. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. From the National Weather Service. Strong thunderstorms will impact southeastern New York, Kankakee, southeastern
And it
Oregon,
includes Interstate
northwestern Lake
65 in
County,
Indiana,
northwestern
along
Mississippi.
with Interstate 80 and 94.
10 p.m. Doppler radar was tracking
US
strong
Route 30 and US
thunderstorms
Route
along a line
6, it's
extending from
impacting the
South
city
Street
of
to
South
Dyer near
Haven,
Lowell, near Dyer.
Portage, Chesterton, Crown Point, Shearville, Merrillville.
Winds of 50 to 55 miles per hour and near hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds of 50 to 55 miles per hour.
Calumet City, looks like
Dyer, St. Anne, Georgia, Marshall, Marysville, Hopkins Park, East Chicago, Fort Hays, Northville, St. John, Griffith, Crown Point, Monroe, Gary, Shores, Munster, Chester, Unity, Reno, St. John,